Beautiful friends, welcome to the spectacular day. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started and have a seat on the earth or in a chair for your somatic practice today. As we move through the practice today, I invite you to listen to your body and let it know that it is loved and nurtured. Set your intention or your sankalpa for your practice today. Make a fist and let's begin with some gentle tapping on our chest and our collarbone regions. Tapping into that parasympathetic nervous system, cueing our bodies that we are shifting gears and resetting the vagus nerve. And it's also wonderful for the health of our fascia, the tubular energy centers, and our nadis. Now pause the tapping and simply look over to your right and your left and do that again, checking in with your spine. Roll the shoulders back and then look up to the sky and down to the earth. And again, looking up and looking down, maybe once more. Making that fist with your hand, and once again, let's gently tap along the collarbones. And this can be fast or slow, connecting with your breath. Maybe you might feel a yawn or a couple of tears, or maybe even a swallow. And that's your parasympathetic nervous system kicking in and saying hello, maybe good morning. Each tap is an opportunity to connect to that heart energy with gratitude and love. Let's bring our hands to our heart and press your thumbs right up against your chest so you can feel where your body is in space. Then rest your hands on your knees and round through the upper body. Then lift the heart up. Maybe your head goes back, and do that again. Round and lift up. Open the heart. Round into your seated cat and then open the heart into your seated cow, finding that flexion and extension. Move back into that seated cat position, rounding the spine. Stay here and bring your chin down and up and down and up. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower the chin. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. One more time, lift and come all the way up to sit and notice. Now moving into the extension part. Hands come back. Bring the chin down and then inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Continue to move with the breath. Maybe support your head with a hand or two hands if you prefer. And maybe do more or maybe do less, creating that relationship with your body and nurturing it. Let's release. This time you're going to round through the spine, and then we're going to look side to side. So look to your left and to your right, and look to your left and to your right. Your shoulders are rounded forward. It can be really tiny, okay? So just tapping into the body, moving into extension. Now inhale, look to your left and look to your right, letting the breath move freely, noticing if there's any tension in the teeth or the sinuses. Moving back into the cat pose and side bending to the right and to the left. Right ear, left ear. Allow the head to drape over to the side and not necessarily let your shoulder meet it. Today, we are not focused on the number of repetitions, but how it feels. Let's move back into extension and drop the right ear and then the left ear towards the shoulders, simply side bending in the neck, side to side, opening the whole front side of your body as you lift your chin up and open your heart. Let's roll the shoulders, shake it out, maybe stretch your jaw, and let's continue. Take the right arm across to your left thigh, maintaining this cat shape, looking down and looking up, Chin drops and lifts. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Move at your speed. Let's change sides. Reach with the left arm and the left side body. Chin moves down and up. Maybe you go into a little bit of extension, or maybe you simply look forward, depending upon how your body feels today. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Coming back up to sit. Let's change sides again. Now you're going to look to your left and right in this cat shape, and we're going about 5 to 7 times, someplace around that, but keeping the length in that right side body through the lats as you revolve all the way over to your left and all the way over to your right. Come back up. Let's change sides again. Looking to the side and over to the side, inhaling and exhaling. Be mindful this side might be entirely different than the other side, and respect that and just notice. Let the body's intuitive intelligence tap into this. Lengthen all the way back up to sit. Feel your seat rooted into the ground. Take that right arm across again, and just a simple side bend now. Right ear, left ear, right ear, and left. Now, again, go quicker or slower. Tap into your body's guidance system. And let's change sides. Left arm reaches across. Take your right ear down and your left ear. Side to side, real simple. You might feel this in your jaw or your fingertips or even in your hips. And then slowly come all the way back up to sit. Roll the shoulders, maybe let out a sigh. Open your jaw, maybe stick out your tongue. And let's gently tap on our face. So it's really nice to get into the facial structure, gentle tapping along the jaw. Open your jaw, maybe into your forehead. So all these nerves that we're flossing and opening and re-educating might get a little bit sticky. Flubber your lips. And at last time, friends, right arm across the left thigh again, and the right hand gently internally and externally rotating like you're turning a doorknob. Open and close. Feel that rotation. Let's change sides. Left arm comes up and over, internally and externally rotating, flipping the palm up and down, getting some nice range of motion here. Come back towards center, roll the shoulders out. Drop your head over to the left and then slowly go back and all the way around. Now, if this is uncomfortable, friends, support your head, or maybe don't look back, just simply roll from the left and then back over to the right. If you want to make the full rotations, go ahead. If you feel comfortable without your hand, that's wonderful. If you need the support of 1 or 2 hands, then please do that. When you're ready, let's change directions. Freeing your neck, dropping it to the right, all the way around to the left, forward and back. And we lose this range of motion in our cervical spine, very much due to our lifestyle. Invite your body into these new movements and listen and honor whatever it decides. Wherever you are is perfect, friends. With the support of 1 hand or 2, full rotations, or simply moving forward and side to side. Come back up and look to your right and to your left, checking in with your spine and your range of motion, allowing the body to communicate with you through these subtle movements. Roll the shoulders, maybe stick out your tongue. And let's close our practice by gently tapping on our chest 1 more time. Cueing your body, letting it know it's safe, letting it know that it's loved, letting it know it's perfect. Let's bring our hands to our heart. Sending out gratitude. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste, Namaste, Namaste. Beautiful friends, thank you for joining me on the mat today. If you're interested in more somatic practices, I will put a link below. Please let me know how this practice affected your life. I love to hear from you all. And check out my weekly calendar if you're interested in joining me every day of the week or whenever it works for you. Namaste, friends.